Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and I'm Reed and this is Reed's Beauty Trip. And you guys might be tired of pink by now. I have this one and one more video and I will be done for the day filming. I have one more day that I can get some filming done and then I have to go back to work. So beginning of the year, lots of videos, lots to catch up, lots of painting projects. And I have a new setup for how I am keeping track of my painting projects, which will hopefully work. A few friends have seen the picture of it. It's not something I'm going to post on here, but my OCD kicked in a little bit, and so now it's a little bit more a different type of organization. So this pan is a rolling pan in a sense. It is called Lip Service. It was created by Amanda and Jessica from PANtastic Ladies. Amanda D and Jessica Lee are the two YouTubers that created this collab for PANtastic Ladies. For our year-long projects, they have created quite a few, so it's really nice to have a group of people to help support you trying to use up stuff while you enjoy it and not making it tedious and stuff. So this is Lip Service. For Lip Service, mine is going to be a little different. I have roughly over probably 500 lipsticks. So for Lip Service, there will be 3 lip products every month assigned. I will use as much as I can to use them up. Some of them are close to being used up, but most stuff will be new to get it into the product. What I'm hoping it will do is that will open up those rough 36 items to be in other projects, and for me to be more motivated to use them up in other projects. There are some, like there is one in this one that I should use up this month and it should be gone because I started it in another project. There's also one that I had, well, how about we just start with it. So the first thing I have is my Hanley Rose Lip Treatment. And my light, I just noticed that. My ring light. Oh, funny. Anyway, so it's the Hanley Lips. I have used half of it, or at least the narrower, so probably 2/3. It was in my Disney, animated Disney pan, and I did use it up. It was I don't think it was Lilo and Stitch, I think it was Moana. It might Lilo and Stitch though too. But I'm hoping I will finish this up in January. It is, it's a little one. It's only 0.17 ounces. I've had it for, I know, over a year now in my collection, so I really want to use that up. So another one I have had in my collection, this was actually in my Birthstone Beauties, it's L'Oreal. It's called Doesn't Matter. I just had it upside down. I have been using it. It was brand new when I started. It was a year ago in January. Well, I got it in February, so I started that pan project probably in March or April when I joined PANtastic Ladies. So I have used some of it up. I do have it on my lips. I love it. It's a great winter lipstick. So I really like it. It's called Doesn't Matter. Like I said, it's by L'Oreal, not Lancome. I think it says Lancome. It's by L'Oreal. And then my third item for this project is Essence Matte 01. I don't know. So it's a nude matte lipstick. It is brand new, but it is a very peachy nude, so we'll see how that one goes and stuff. I do have a lot of pinky type nudes going on right now, but it's all year round. They're safe colors. They're nude. You can wear them all year round. They're not like this one where it only works certain times of the year and such, or certain springy pinks that you can. I had a coral in my budget beauties, and it was the wrong time of year to try to pan that, so that was my own fault, not anything. It wasn't a color to use right now, which is funny because now it is color of the year, so of course it has potential to come in quickly because it's color of the year. So those are the 3 that I have. If you have any comments, please, comment below. If you like this video, please thumbs up. This project pan, as I get more comfortable with it, it is really hard for me to pan lipstick. I did finish 3 lipsticks. I was so excited. A friend of mine was really excited because she couldn't believe I did it too. but I have to keep the focus, and I know I need to use up so much at a time. Lipstick is not something I can pan quickly or efficiently. I have had a really, I mean, even like samples, this is a Kat Von D one I'm working on. I mean, I've literally worn it twice and it looks like nothing's used on it. And that's just an eye coat my lips, but it's not like I can take that to work and reapply it. I have to find a complement to it and take, like, so if I use this one, and I think it's Love Craft, so then I took Nude de Jour by MAC, which is one of my deluxe samples, and then I applied it on that way. So, like I said, I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Everybody, good luck with your panning projects, and I hope it gives you ideas and positive thoughts. So, I'll talk to you later.